Good evening, Brett. Attorney General Bill Barr answering the million-dollar question that's plagued the Trump administration and the nation for 2 years now. Was there collusion? His answer today, direct and unequivocal. Barr finds the special counsel's investigation did not find the Trump campaign or anyone associated with it conspired or coordinated with Russia in its efforts to influence the 2016 U.S. presidential election. Next up on Barr's docket, the question of whether the president obstructed justice. His answer again, unambiguous. He writes, Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein and I have concluded the evidence developed during the special counsel's investigation is not sufficient to establish that the president committed an obstruction of justice offense. Bob Mueller, though, wasn't nearly as direct in his findings. The attorney general writing, the special counsel states that while this report does not conclude that the president committed a crime, it also doesn't exonerate him. Lots of Americans surprised today to learn that Special Counsel Mueller ultimately deferred a decision about President Trump's criminality to Attorney General Barr, essentially passing the buck. But sources here at the Justice Department tell Fox News this move's pretty typical of how DOJ investigations unfold. They say prosecutors present evidence to the department, and they in turn often determine it doesn't meet the threshold for indictment. Some legal scholars, though, insist it was a cop-out.
That's not the job of the prosecutor. The job of the prosecutor is to decide yes or no. Make a decision. And then if you say yes, you indict. If you say no, you shut up. You don't go on and say, no, we're not going to indict, but let me tell you all the evidence that might have led us to indict. That's exactly what prosecutors shouldn't do.
The other major finding in Barr's report is that Russia did indeed spread its tentacles deep into America's presidential elections in 2016 in an attempt to manipulate the outcome, affirming that the intelligence community was right to ring alarm bells. So now Mueller is over and out here at DOJ, and the ball is in Congress's court. Brett?